All right, I want you to create a total of 4 drawings from the last couple of parts that we've drawn. And if you just double click, you can go back and forth and see that you have your other sheets. There's our window, there's our column. I've already done one of my combination blocks. So pick one of your combination blocks, pick one of the other challenge parts. You can select how difficult you want your dimensioning to be. So again, what do? We add a new sheet. And in order to get to the other files, when you click the insert box, then you can look for other documents, go to your Onshape or my Onshape, and then there's my intro to CAD blocks. And let's say I want to do my arch is my other part, so I could just pick the arch and bring it in. And of course, don't forget to change the scale. And then you can bring in top, front, right, isometric, and then dimension it. Okay, so we want a total of 4 pieces of paper with dimension drawings. Okay, once you have some other parts drawn and dimensioned, other little details we could kind of clean up. Anywhere you have a gray little box with lines, we could add some information. What we would usually see there is like the part name. So I would probably name this the arch, but that second piece of paper also does not have any information as to who did the drawing, because it all goes back to the first page on the title block. So I would probably label that arch and then just put your initials at the end of the part. And then we can go and do that for all the other pages, so there's some indication as to whose drawing that was. So I would name this combination my initials. And we'll do the same thing for round column. And let's revisit the title block on page 1. On page 1, we should have populated a title of the project, but we can do the same thing here in the title. This was Fundamentals of Dimensioning. And where it says drawing number, since this has a drawing on this page, we'll go ahead and that was the window. Okay, of course, now that tells us that our title block, this is sheet 1 of 4. And next we'll figure out how to export this to a PDF and print it.